Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the masterclasses of Canva, Lecture 2. Today is the Lecture 2, and in this lecture, I will tell you the most demanding question that what is Canva? And many more questions that are very demanding. So, welcome to Canva lecture number 2. ठीक है? Now, what will we do today? Today we will recap the basic Canva from the previous lectures. Number 2, where Canva is used, explore different areas, industries, and where it is used in our real life. Real base example, benefits of using Canva. Who can use Canva, summary, and just. Okay. Our most important question is Canva. What is Canva? Canva is the simple definition of Canva is an online graphic design platform that help anyone to create beautiful designs quickly and easily. What we can do with Canva? We can create social media posts, presentation, posters, flyers, business card, YouTube thumbnail. In next slide, I will show you the also images of social media post presentation. Okay. Why is Canva popular? Is this question come in your mind also? If you know, then let me know why Canva is popular. Canva is popular because it is easy to use, drag and drop, just thousands of ready-made templates are in it, no graphic design experience needed, available on web and mobile, free and pro version. There are 2 variants, that one is free and one is pro. I will also tell you the difference between free and pro in upcoming lectures. Hope so I will tell you in lecture number 3. Now, next question is why we use Canva. We then use Canva to save our time and create professional designs for any purpose, even if we have no design experience. It saves our time, it is easy to use, accessible anywhere. We can use laptop, computer, and phone also. Cost-effective free version available with amazing features, great for everyone, students, teacher, businessman, and it is great. Where we use Canva? Real world example we can use in Canva. We can use Canva in social media posts to create social media posts. Presentations, you are on the slide, you are seeing their social media post is created. Presentation is created, marketing poster is created. These all posters are created by using Canva. You can also use Canva and create this project after completing my course. Teachers can create the certificate for their events. You can create your Instagram stories. You can create business card, etc. Now, some more real-world examples of Canva. You can use small business. You can use Canva in small business by creating poster, flyers, menu, price list, business card, etc. As a student, you can create projects, infography, poster resumes easily. As a freelancer, you can create design, client, presentation, logo, and many more things. As a YouTuber, you can create thumbnail, as a teacher, certificate, and many more things. Like as a social media manager, you can create stories, posts, ads. What will be next lecture? By mistake, it is written lecture 4. Tomorrow is our lecture number 3, not 4. We will know the difference between Canva Pro and Canva Free, and their features, and when we should need to buy Canva Pro, and etc. So hope you like my video. And if you have any question in your mind, let me know in comment section. I will answer you. Allah Hafiz.